California Braille and Talking Book Library in collaboration with Adaptive Technology Services. The NLS Search Menu. There are different ways you can search for a book within the NLS BARD system. You can browse the most popular books, most recent magazines, browse by category, genres, search the collection, or browse your wish list. Download a book or magazine from most popular books, most recent magazines, and wish list menus. 1. Go to the online bookcase by pressing the Online button. 2. Press the bookshelf key, 1, to go to the NLS BARD bookshelf. 3. Press the Go To key twice quickly. The VRS will say, "Search for NLS BARD books." 4. Press the Confirm key, #. 5. Press the Scroll Down key, 8, or Scroll Up key, 2, to navigate through the NLS Search Menu options. 6. Press the Confirm key, # to select an option. 7. Press the Move Back 4 key or the Move Forward 6 key to move through the list of books. 8. Press the Where Am I key, 5, to hear information about a book or magazine. 9. Press the Bookmark key followed by the Confirm key, # to move a book or a magazine to the wish list. 10. Press the Confirm key, # to download a book. You will first hear Added to Download Queue. Then choose a book you wish to download, followed by the name of the book or magazine you just added. You don't have to do anything else. Finally, you will hear NLS BARD Download Complete once the downloading process ends. Cancel the search and go back to NLS BARD by pressing the Cancel key, *. Download a book from the Search by Category menu. 1. Go to the online bookcase by pressing the Online button. 2. Press the Bookshelf key, 1, to go to the NLS BARD bookshelf. 3. Press the Go To key twice quickly. The VRS says, "Search for NLS BARD books." 4. Press the Confirm key, #. 5. Press the Scroll Down key, 8, until you hear Browse by Category. 6. Press the Confirm key, #. 7. Press the Scroll Down key, 8, to find the category you want, then press the Confirm key, #. 8. Press the Move Forward key, 6, to go through the list of books. To hear information about a book, press the Where Am I key, 5. To add a book to your wish list, press the Bookmark key, then press the Confirm key, #. 9. Press the Confirm key, # to download the book. You will first hear Added to Download Queue. Then choose a book you wish to download, followed by the name of the book you just added. You don't have to do anything else. Finally, you will hear NLS BARD Download Completed once the downloading process ends. Download a book from the Search the Collection menu. Using this option, you can search by the name of a book, an author, or keywords. 1. Go to the online bookcase, Online button. 2. Press the Bookshelf key, 1, to go to the NLS BARD bookshelf. 3. Press the Go To key twice quickly. The VRS says, "Search for NLS BARD books." 4. Press the Confirm key, #. 5. Press the scroll down key, 8, to go to Search the Collection menu. 6. Press the Confirm key, #. 7. Enter the search text when prompted. Use multi-tap entry to type the name of an author, a book title, or keywords. 8. Press the Confirm key, #. 9. Use the Move Forward key, 6, to go through the list of books. 10. Press the Confirm key, # to download the book of your choice. After the book is downloaded, the VRS returns to the list of the search results. Reading a book. Play and pause. 1. Press the play-stop key to play and pause. Rewind and fast forward. 1. To rewind, press and hold the rewind key. 2. To fast forward, press and hold the fast forward key. Note: press and release the rewind or the fast forward key to jump 5 seconds. Press and hold the rewind or fast forward key to jump through larger chunks of time. Jumps start at 1 minute, then 2 minutes, then 5 minutes. Each subsequent jump is 5 minutes longer. 5 minutes is the largest increment for a jump. Navigating through book index elements. You can jump reading positions by chapter, time, phrase, or section, depending on the index elements created by the author. 1. Use the scroll down 8 or scroll up 2 keys to select a navigation level. 2. Use the move back 4 or move forward 6 keys to move to the selected level. For example, by pressing the scroll down key 8 when reading a book, you might hear time jump 1 minute. Phrase level 1. When pressing the move forward 6 key after hearing time jump 1 minute, your reading position will move forward 1 minute. Level 1 is most likely to indicate chapters, and Level 2 to indicate sections. When reading a book from the NLS Bard collection, most likely pressing the move back 4 or move forward 6 keys will jump backward or forwards by chapter. It is possible to have different time intervals when pressing the scroll down 8 or scroll up 2 keys. 1. Go to the configuration menu by pressing 7 on the standard offline bookcase. 2. Press the scroll down 8 or scroll up 2 keys to cycle through the options on the navigation and playback menu. 3. Press the move back 4 or move forward 6 keys to activate the time interval of your choice, 30 seconds, 1, 2, 5, 10, or 30 minutes. Note: pressing the cancel key, star, right after you press the move back or move forward keys will undo navigation and return to a previous reading position. Go-to key. Pressing the Go-to key while reading a book will offer 3 options. Press the Go-to key once to go to a page. This option applies only to a few NLS books. Press the Go-to key twice to go to a heading. Press a number followed by the play-stop key to go to a heading if available. Most likely, it will move the reading position to the beginning of a chapter. Be aware that the number of the heading might not correspond to the chapter number. Press the Go-to key 3 times to go to the time options. Move the reading position through blocks of time by typing the number of minutes or hours from the beginning of the book. The last 2 digits will indicate the minutes and the other digits hours. For example, if you want to jump 40 minutes, enter the number 40. If you want to jump 4 hours, enter 400. Use the Go To key to jump to the beginning or the end of a book. 1. Press the Go To key, followed by the Rewind key to jump to the beginning of the book. 2. Press the Go To key, followed by the Fast Forward key to jump to the end of the book. The Go To key also allows direct access to a book in a bookshelf. Just press the Go To key, followed by the corresponding number of the book, and press the Confirm key, # or the Play Stop key. Bookmarks. The VRS has a bookmark menu, so you can quickly manage your bookmarks. Use this menu to insert, remove, or go to a bookmark. Each time you press the bookmark key, the VRS announces the next bookmark option. To go to a bookmark, 1. Press the bookmark key repeatedly until you hear Go to Bookmark. 2. Press the number of the bookmark. 3. Press the Confirm key, # to go to the bookmark, or Play Stop key to start reading from the bookmark. Inserting bookmarks. 1. Press the bookmark key repeatedly until you hear Insert Bookmark. 2. Enter a number for a bookmark. Press the Confirm key, #. If the Confirm # key is pressed without a number, the VRS will assign a number for that bookmark. Bookmark list. You can select a bookmark from a list. 1. Press the bookmark key repeatedly until you hear Bookmark List. 2. Press the Move Back 4 or Move Forward 6 keys to navigate through the list. 3. Press the Confirm key, # to go to the bookmark of your choice, or the Play Stop key to start reading from the chosen bookmark. Remove a bookmark. 1. Press the bookmark key repeatedly until you hear Remove Bookmark. 2. Type the bookmark number you want to delete. 3. Press the Confirm key, #. Set the clock. Set date and time preferences. 1. Press the Sleep button. The Sleep button is located on the lower front face of the device below the number 0. You will hear the time and date. 2. Press and hold the Sleep button for a second. You will hear Date and Time Settings, Set Time. Before setting the time, make some choices for how the date and time should be announced. You can select a 12-hour or a 24-hour format for time and one of 3 choices for dates. Use the Scroll Up 2 or Scroll Down 8 keys to cycle among the following menu choices: Set Time, Set Date, Advanced Time Settings. Select the Advanced Time Settings option and press the Confirm key, #. In Advanced Time Settings, press the Scroll Up 2 or Scroll Down 8 keys again to go through the menu list. You can choose either a 12-hour, AM/PM, or a 24-hour format. Press the Confirm key, # to select your preferred time format. Next, the VRS prompts you for the date format. Press the Scroll Up 2 or Scroll Down 8 keys to navigate this menu list. Press the Confirm key, # to set the date format of your choice. There are other advanced time settings: Daylight Saving Standard Time, how dates should be announced, and automatic time adjustment. Continue using the scroll up 2 and scroll down 8 keys to navigate to the choices. Press the confirm key, # to set your preference. 3. When finished setting your options, press and hold the sleep button for a second to exit the Date and Time Settings menu. Set date and time. 1. Press and hold the sleep key for a second. 2. Follow the prompts to set the time. Press the confirm key, # after each entry. 3. Press the scroll down 8 key to go to the date and press the confirm key, #. Follow the prompts to set the date. Press the confirm key after each entry. 4. Press and hold the sleep key to exit the time and date settings. Set a sleep timer. You can set a timer to turn off the VRS. 1. Press the sleep key multiple times to set a sleep time: 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 60 minutes. 2. Keep pressing the sleep button to the custom option if you want to enter the minutes with the VRS keypad. Enter the minutes and press confirm key, # or play stop button. 3. Press the sleep button continuously until you hear off if you want to cancel the timer. Locking the keypad. You can lock the keypad to avoid pressing random keys and moving from the reading position. 1. Press and hold the cancel key, * to lock the keypad. 2. Press the numbers 1, 2, 3 in sequence to unlock the keypad. Note, you can still perform a hard reset on the VRS by pressing and holding the power button for 7 seconds, even while the keyboard is locked. Additional help. The complete VRS user guide from Humanware is included on your device. Use this guide to explore all the features of the VRS. The user guide can be accessed from any bookcase or bookshelf. Note, the key describer mode must be off to open the user guide. 1. To access the user guide, press and hold the bookshelf key 1. The VRS will say, Enter User Guide. 2. Use the standard navigation commands to read the user guide. 3. Press and hold the bookshelf key 1 to exit the user guide. BTBL Assistive Technology website, https://www.library.ca.gov/assistive-technology. Telephone number, toll-free in California, 800-952-5666. Email address, btbl@library.ca.gov.